Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at this S-Fun expandable garden hose, and I just got it, so let's open it up. Oh, so everything comes in this bag. So first you have this bag, so you can put everything away. And then you have the sprayer nozzle. It has different settings. And this is so you can actually hang it. So we'll look at that later. Oh, I like this. The washers. Oh, this is pretty cool because it has a valve that you can close the water and you can open it this way. And usually if this arrow goes with the hose, that means that it's open, and when it's against the way, then the water doesn't get through. You can see this is open, that is closed. And this goes here, and it's 15 feet in length, but once the water is inside it expands to 50 feet. It looks good right here too. This one actually has a washer too, so you don't need a washer right now, but these are just extras, so that's cool. So let's hook it up and see how it works. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you for watching and enjoy.